Tell me how much you miss me.
This is the vlog. I love you.
Because I miss you so much. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is gonna be me unboxing and then me showing you guys my beautiful Sunday. Okay, I'm making sure I'm very much moisturized because I'm gonna be having my hands in the camera and I do not want my hands to be ashy. Okay, I had a very fun weekend. I spent time with my mom. We went to the outlets and I'm going to show you guys what I picked up because I'm very excited to show you guys. It's just crazy because I feel like I've been buying so many things in my closet. You guys have seen my closet. If you guys haven't seen my closet, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below of me cleaning out my closet. And it was just crazy, you guys. Like, I got rid of a lot of that stuff, but then like it's like I'm accumulating more items, which I mean, of course we know I'm gonna be accumulating more items, but it's just a lot and it becomes like overwhelming because I'm buying so many pieces. I'm shopping online, I'm going in stores, I'm buying shoes, I'm buying bags, I'm ordering bags. It's just becoming a lot, you guys. So, and also I'm ordering like other pieces as well, so I'm just adding to the pile, I guess you can say. I'm gonna move this little candle right here because it's just like so tiny and it's like flickering and it's weird. Oh my god, I have to show you. Okay, I bought a perfume, you guys. I'm not gonna believe what perfume I bought. I bought a perfume and I want to do a haul on it. I'm gonna hold off on that because I didn't even post it on Instagram because I do not want you guys to go get it yet, because when I tell y'all this is some fire that everybody is sleeping on, like it's fire. Okay, so I'm gonna wait to do an updated perfume haul for you guys because I know you guys love my perfume hauls. I'll wait to do that and then I will present that fragrance. Like, I'm wearing it now. I wore it earlier today. I wore it yesterday. And I'm obsessed. Like, my other perfumes I wear a lot, but this one is the one. Okay, so anyways, let's get into the video. So like I said, I went to the outlets with my mom. We had so much fun. We went to eat. I'll insert like little clips because I should have what I should have did was vlog the whole time I was there, but I'm so mad that I did not do that for you guys. So anywho, oh, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm just in my Gucci t-shirt and my, what pants are these? I think these are my Zara pants. Let's get into this video. This whole video will be really short because I did not vlog from the beginning, but I promise you guys this will be a very good vlog. So I just want you guys to just stay tuned with me. I'm just getting used to the vlogs and stuff and extending them, so I really want you guys to see these special moments. So yeah, so like I said, I went to the outlets, right, and I got this bag. It has no name. Can you guys guess where I went shopping? Leave the comments below. Do it now before I open. Just guess. I'll give y'all some time. Okay, time's up. My cousin, shout out to my cousin. He just said I love you and I miss you and he haven't seen me or whatever. I love you. I love my family so much. Okay, it's the cousins for me, period. Okay, as you guys can see, I went to Saint Laurent. Okay, so for those of you that do not know how to pronounce Saint Laurent, it's Saint Laurent. I spent total $500. And for those of you that don't know, they dropped the Y, so it's just Saint Laurent. Okay. Yes, so I also got a discount because I work for a luxury brand. Some of you guys know and some of you guys don't. So I don't work for this brand, but I work for another brand. So yes, I also get a discount on top of this, which is nice. First was this box here. It's so cute. It's so small, as you guys can see. The retail price was $5.95. Got this for $181.30. I'm so excited. You guys can see, of course, you know that this is a pair of shoes. So it comes wrapped in this black tissue paper, nicely folded. I really appreciate it. Shout out to the guy that helped me out. What's his name? Give him a shout out. His name is Christian. Christian was very, very sweet, and he said he would come and visit me one day, so I'm very, very happy. He was very sweet and very observant, and he paid attention to the items that I liked. So shout out to you, Christian. Okay, so dust bag. I'm so excited. I feel like I've been buying a lot of these, okay, sandals. So yes, I got these cute polka dot sandals, or what would you call this, like a mule or a slide? I got this polka dot mule, and it's super, super cute. I love this bow detail that it has in the front. My mom also was obsessed with these. She really, really liked these. And it's so crazy because I was not gonna get these, and then I was just like, okay, never mind. It reminds me of these shoes I got at this store called Sway. I don't know if some of you guys remember that store, but it was a store called Sway, and it was pretty pricey for like college kids or like high school kids or whatever, but I would go there sometimes, and I love that store. And I had like a pair similar to this, but it was a full like slip-on. It was super, super cute, and it was black and white polka dot, and the front part looked just like this. So it reminded me of my broke days. Okay. This camera is so stupid. Okay, so the bottom of these are leather, as you guys can see. This is a leather logo. I don't know if you guys know, I've been in the retail business for a very long time. So this little shape, the second one and the third one is oh, I don't even know if you can see this, whatever, but it's leather. So basically the bottom is leather and the inside is leather, okay? And you could like even smell it. So I want to show you guys what these look like on. These are brand new or whatever. I hope I'm not ashy. Look how cute these are. Like with a really cute white dress, or like some blue jeans with a white tank top. Like, so freaking adorable. I love these. So I got these. Here's the other one. And I always make sure before I leave a store that I have both correct pairs of shoes, okay? Because you don't want to get tricked. I like how chic and sleek they are. Like, they remind me of like the 70s. Super cute. And the logo is super nice. And this doesn't look like it'll rub off, which I hope it doesn't. Don't want that to happen. I just feel like I've been buying a lot of sandals. This bag is so nice because it's like, it looks like it's like a leather or something. So cute. My second friend. Oh, did I tell you guys what size this was? 38 and a half. They shoes, their sandals seem to run small because they're narrow. Well, those are. So yeah, dust bag, and here we go. Oh my god, they're not even tied up. Okay, I unlaced them when I tried them on. How cute are these? With the logo on the side, and they look a little distressed at the bottom, which I love that because this is what's gonna happen to my shoes anyway. So super cute. And then so these are gonna be leather sneakers. The inside is leather, the outside is leather, made in Italy. Now this is a size 37. I know it's like crazy how like I jumped from a 38 and a half to a 37, but these their sneakers seem to run big. So these remind me of like a leather Converse, super cute, and they're a perfect fit. So freaking cute. Aren't these so cute, y'all? Can y'all see them? Like, so cute. So cute. I love these sneakers. I love these so much. As soon as I seen them, I was like, oh my god, I love these. So I mean, these are really casual, whatever. It definitely reminded me of Golden Goose. I'm gonna have to relace these later, whatever, because I don't feel like doing all of that right now. But I love the pink trimming around the shoe. In the back, it also has the logo. This one is the other pair. As you guys can see, it's laced all the way up because I did not try this one on, and it's still stuffed with tissue paper. So I thought these were pretty dope and cool, and I just wanted a new pair of sneakers that I could just throw on casually and, you know, still be cute at the same time. So I hope you guys like my new purchases added to the collection. Let me stuff my shoe so it can stay cute. Yeah, you guys, I love this, and I feel like I got a pretty good deal. What is this? Oh, this is the little booklet that it comes with. What is all of this? Like, why is there so many cards? Okay, this is their little booklet that it comes with or whatever. Which I don't know. I'm like, what is that, a mirror? Okay, and then it comes with extra laces just in case my laces get dirty, which my laces will be getting dirty. So they come in this little dust bag. It has the name on the front. And I'm so happy, you guys. So for these sneakers, I paid $230.30. Mind you, I got 30% off of that, okay? So, I don't know what's up with this bag or whatever. I feel like every time I've been shopping, they give me like these generic bags. But that's a good thing because I don't want nobody to know what I got, you know? So, that's just that. That is it for my unboxing, I guess you guys can say. My next video, so one of my subscribers, one of my supporters or subscribers, asked me to do a video about my lip allergy because some of you guys know and some of you guys don't know. And also I want to go over my symptoms I have with false lashes with glues, my allergy I have with lash glues. So I think that's going to be the next topic. So I think I'm going to be doing a video about my allergies in my next video and just telling you guys what's been going on, you know, because I know you guys see me be wearing lip gloss and lipsticks and stuff like that. So I definitely want to give you guys, and I know you guys deserve an update on all of that. And to my supporter, I will be giving you a update on that. So you stay tuned for that, and you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Hey guys, I'm looking a little crazy right now. I'm on these streets. I'm going to get my lashes done. I will not be showing you guys my eyes because they are dark. I have dark circles.
Yeah, I'm at a thot. Off of that bitch, I'm a layoff. I get the money, no layoff. I'm with a crack of the mail. She give me breeze when I pay her. Off of that bitch, I'm a layoff. I get the money, no layoff. Yeah, I'm at a thot. Off of that bitch, I'm a layoff. I get the money, no layoff. I'm with a crack of the mail. She give me breeze when I pay her. Off of that bitch, I'm a layoff.
It looks so bad. Look. Crazy.
I get the money, no layoff. Fuck with the kids. She wanna fuck with the guy. You know I'm going to dose. I put a lean on my Sprite.
Y'all, so my lashes are done. They look so pretty. And my eyebrows are done. Sorry, I'm sitting in the sun, you guys. I have to go home, get dressed, and meet up with my girls. I have a little surprise for them, so yeah, if y'all watching this, I know y'all watching this. Just ordered some champagne, avocado. So this is technically, let's do cheers. Hold on, my face is like my neck. No, I just, cheers. Oh, that's so cute.
Always say I got a attitude. Avocado spilled on me because it was so good. Like, it was so good.
Oh gosh.
I'm finished being sick. Like, it was so much. That's our second drink.
On our first. Period.
Ketchup. Cheers to my life.
Yeah, let's do a cheers.
Like, that was my baby blog. Hold on.
It look good.
Y'all want to try it?
No, I want. I do. That shit look hella good. Is it good, Maisha?
Yeah.
That shit.
It is good. Spot so people can see us here.
No. Cause then all y'all little friends look.
They ain't coming here.
Okay, well then post it.
This one spot.
Okay. They walk up in here like, okay.
We out. We don't know what this is. They not gonna come here.
Yeah,
These
for real.
girl.
Yeah, post it. Tell me how much you miss me.
This is the vlog. I love you.
Cause I miss you so much. Okay.
I want to toast to my best friends for life.
Period.
My sisters.
And that's on God.
Who I love the most. That knows my deepest secrets. My deepest secrets.
For real.
Keep me on my toes. Keep motivating me. Keep me, pushing and grinding. I love you guys.
I love you too. I love you.
Let's drink this shit before I start crying.
Cheers.